Henley Garage Door Services has been an established business in the Niagara region since 1984. We've developed a reputation of trust, quality service, and reliable installation, and we stand by our products and services with our quality service guarantee. No matter what your garage door needs, we can help you. We cater to residential, industrial, and commercial sectors, and our showroom offers a wide variety of styles and designs to choose from. Henley Garage Door Services. Visit us today.